Hi friends, welcome to Python tutorials. In this video we are going to discuss about Python tuple. Right, before coming to this topic, friends, if you are watching our channel first time or if you like to get these type of technical videos in future, consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to enable that bell icon near to the subscribe button so that you will get notification message whenever we upload a new video. Right, coming back to our Python tuple. This Python tuple is almost similar to our Python list. In a Python tuple, we can store a sequence of objects, different types of data items. Right, now we will see how to create this Python tuple. Usually this Python tuple is created within parentheses and each items separated by comma. We will create a tuple here. You will give a t1 equals 1, 3, 5. Also we'll create a t2 equals 10, Eric, 15.50. It's dot. Okay, now we will verify this at t1 and t2. Here we can see t1 and here is t2. Also we will see the type of t1. So here we can see it's a tuple. Also we can see the type of t2. It's a tuple. Even we can create this tuple without parentheses. Okay, we will see that. We will give a t3 equals 1, 50, you will give a name and son. Okay, it's created. Here we can see t3. Also we will see the type of t3. We can see it's a tuple. Even we can create an empty tuple. We will see that how to create this empty tuple. Here we will give t equals, we are going to give only parenthesis. We are not going to give any items inside this parenthesis. Now we will print this variable t. So here we can see that. Now we will see the type of this variable t. Here we can see it's a tuple. It's an empty tuple. Okay, right. Now we are going to create one more tuple, t1 equals. Okay, here we are going to give a name, Eric. And in this tuple, we have only one item. Now we are going to print this t1. Also we are going to verify the type of this t1. Here we can see it shows it's a string. This variable t1 is a string. Then how we can create a tuple with a single item? We will see that here. We will create a variable t2 equals same item Eric. Then after this a single item we are going to give a comma. Then we are going to close this parenthesis. Now we will print this t2. So here we can see it's Eric. And now we will see the type of this variable t2. Yes, now it's tuple. Now we will see how we can access these tuple elements, tuple items. Usually we can access tuple elements using square bracket. we will see that we will create a simple tuple t equals 1, 2, 3, and here we can see our tuple type is tuple. Okay, so now we want to access these items separately, so we can use this index operator or square bracket t of, so 0th index, that means the item 1. Here we can see that this is also same like list t of 1, it's number 2, the second item. So here we have to specify the index, and we know that index usually start with 0. T of 2, it's 3. Now we will try the next index t of 3, and here we can see index error, tuple index out of range. Even we can access these items using negative indexing. We will see the example. We will give a t of -1. This is negative indexing. So here it will give the last item in this tuple, it's 3. Here we can see that. Now we will try t of -2. It's 2. We will try t of -3. It's 1. Now we will try t of -4. And here we can see index error, tuple index out of range. Right. Now we will see how to create a nested tuple. It's same like our Python nested list. We will see an example so that it will be clear. T equals parenthesis. Here we are going to give 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then we are going to give a nested tuple. Either we can use a square bracket or parenthesis. Okay, we will use parenthesis. 10, 20. Okay, comma, we will give 100, 200, whatever. Okay, so here we can see the values of t, and we will see this type of t. We can see it's a tuple. Now we will access each item from this tuple t. Here we will give a t of 0. It will give 1. 0th index we have 1. Okay. T of 1. First index we have 2. Okay. Then t of 2. Second index we have 3. Now we are going to give a t of 3. Here we can see a 0th index it's 1. Second index, I mean the first index it's 2. Then the second index it's 3. Then what will be in the third index? Here we can see it's a 10 and 20. So here we can see that. Now how we can access individual items from this nested tuple? Okay, here we have to give t of 3. Suppose we require 20. So here the index is 1, 10 is 0 and 20 is 1. So we have to give 1 so that we can access 20. Right. Now we will give a t of 4. It's 100 and 200. Suppose we want to access 200 or 100, we can give a t of 4. If you want to access 100, we have to give 0. Right. Yes, it's same like our nested list in Python. Now we will see how we can delete this tuple. Here we can use del. Then we can specify our tuple variable. It's a t. it's deleted, we can verify it. We'll give T, and here we can see name error. Name T is not defined, so whatever defined we already deleted. Right, now we will see some of the built-in functions for Python tuple. First of all, we will create a tuple. T equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, enough. So here we can see our tuple, and type of a T, it's a tuple. Suppose here we want to get the length of this tuple T, then we can use a built-in function len. Here we can see that len of, then we have to give our tuple name, it's T, and here we can see the length of our tuple, it's 4. Now we will find the maximum and minimum value from this tuple T. First of all, we will find a maximum, so we have to give a max of our tuple name, it's a T. Okay, here we can see it's 4, it's correct. Now we will find the minimum value from this tuple min of T. So here we can see it's 1. Now we will create one more tuple named T1 equals, so here we will have 7, 2, 4, 1. Okay, and here we can see our T1. Now we are going to concatenate these two tuple T and T1 using plus operator. We can see that here T plus T1. So here we can see it's combined together, T and T1 combined. Even we can use a repetition operator. We will see an example, same like Python list. T1 star 2. Here we can see it's repeated 2 times, 7241, 7241. So friends, in this video we have seen a very basic about Python tuple. Now dear friends, if you have any doubt, any suggestions, please comment below. And if you like our video, give a thumb and share with all your friends. Stay tuned and we will meet again with the next video. Thank you.